In a similar way, picking the right pole hedge trimmer is about balancing power, durability, reach, ergonomics, and battery life, or corded design. This guide reviews 5 top-rated models that deliver reach and performance for your gardening needs. List number 1. Savum 20V Max 20-inch Cordless Pole Hedge Trimmer. The Savum 20V Max 20-inch Cordless Pole Hedge Trimmer is a well-balanced choice for homeowners who want decent reach and cutting power without a heavy, cumbersome tool. Equipped with a 20-inch dual-action hardened steel blade, it can tackle most hedges and branches up to its rated cutting thickness efficiently. The dual-action blade reduces vibration and gives smooth, clean cuts. Thanks to its extension pole, this trimmer reaches up to about 9 feet, allowing you to trim tall hedges safely from the ground. The head pivots through a wide range, 0 to 135 degrees, so you can adjust for different angles. Side cuts, top trimming, or awkward shapes become much easier. Amazon. Despite its reach and power, it remains relatively lightweight, about 8 to 9 pounds according to the Amazon listing. Amazon. And comes with a shoulder strap to help distribute that weight during prolonged use. The package often includes 2 2.0 batteries and a charger, giving you more working time without frequent recharges. List number 2. 3-in-1 Cordless Hedge Trimmer, 13-foot reach. A standout in flexibility, the 3-in-1 Cordless Hedge Trimmer, 13-foot reach, is ideal for users who want a single tool to handle multiple tasks: hedge trimming, grass shearing, and high-reach pruning. According to manufacturer's specs, this tool offers a telescopic pole that extends to reach high branches safely, eliminating or reducing the need for ladders. Designed with versatility in mind, the 3-in-1 system includes a compact 8-inch dual-action steel blade for hedge tasks and a grass shear head for grounds-level trimming. The half-inch cutting capacity allows it to handle smaller hedges, shrubs, and delicate pruning without overworking the motor. The motor is powered by a 20V battery, promising around 40 to 50 minutes of runtime on a full charge with the included battery, as stated by MZK. That's quite sufficient for regular garden maintenance tasks. The head has multiple angle positions, helping you cut at awkward angles or shape hedges with precision. From a design standpoint, the tool is reasonably lightweight, around 7.7 pounds according to spec, which helps with control while extended. The grip is ergonomic, and the anti-slip handle design gives good control during use. However, the 8-inch blade is less aggressive compared to longer, more heavy-duty models, so it's not designed for thick, overgrown branches. List number 3. Garcare 2-in-1 Electric Pole Hedge Trimmer, 20 volts, 20-inch blade. The Garcare 2-in-1 Electric Pole Hedge Trimmer is a solid long-reach trimmer designed to give you both pole reach and handheld trimming in one package. It comes with a 4.0 amp-hour 20-volt battery and a 20-inch dual-action blade that provides a cutting capacity of about 7/10 inch, around 18 millimeters, letting you trim fairly thick hedges with confidence. One of the standout features of this Garcare model is its 11-position adjustable cutting head, giving you flexibility for horizontal, vertical, or angled cuts. This is especially helpful when shaping topiary or working on awkward hedge shapes. The pole extends to around 7.9 feet, making it suitable for reaching tall hedges without using a ladder. To reduce fatigue, it includes an ergonomic rubber handle and a shoulder strap, distributing the tool's weight during use. Safety is well addressed with a double safety start button, requiring 2 switches to be pressed before operation. Users also praise the dual-action laser-cut blade that delivers consistent cutting and reduces vibration, while Garcare claims their design reduces vibration by up to 40%. Its 20-volt, 4.0 amp-hour battery offers a good balance between runtime and power, allowing for extended trimming sessions, though heavy, thick-duty cutting might drain it faster. The weight when fully extended can be noticeable, but the shoulder strap helps. List number 4. MZK 20-volt Max 23-inch Cordless Pole Hedge Trimmer Attachment. The MZK 20-volt Max 23-inch Cordless Pole Hedge Trimmer is an excellent attachment for users who already own MZK's 20-volt battery ecosystem. With a long 23-inch dual-action steel blade, this tool provides ample cutting width and efficiency, which means fewer passes and faster trimming.
Its telescopic pole enables extended reach, and according to MZK's manual, the cutting head adjusts through 5 locking positions, 0 degrees to 180 degrees, giving you flexibility when trimming tops, sides, or undergrowth. The pole can extend up to a significant height, enabling safer trimming of tall hedges or hard-to-reach shrubs. Another major plus is the interchangeable battery system. The trimmer is compatible with existing MZK 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, which means you can save money if you're already invested in the brand's tools. The runtime is decent. MZK claims up to 55 minutes under moderate load. Safety and comfort are addressed with a double lock mechanism to prevent accidental startups. Build-wise, the pole is made from lightweight aluminum, helping to reduce fatigue in extended sessions. The head adjustment mechanism feels robust, yet easy to use when switching angles.
List number 5. CC Pole Hedge Trimmer Cordless, 16-inch dual action blade. The CC 16-inch cordless pole hedge trimmer is a versatile and user-friendly option designed for both precision and reach. It features a 16-inch dual action blade with a cutting capacity of around 5/8 inch, approximately 16 millimeters, enabling clean, smooth trimming while minimizing vibration. Its telescopic pole extends from 7 feet to 8.5 feet, giving you significant reach for tall shrubs or hedge tops without needing to use a ladder. The head of the trimmer has 6 adjustable positions, up to 135 degrees, so you can work at different angles, ideal for shaping, trimming sides, or getting under overgrowth. One standout feature is the inclusion of dual 4.0 amp-hour batteries, which delivers longer runtime and reduces downtime. This means you can work for extended periods without frequent recharging. CC also designed the tool with a shoulder strap to help distribute its approximately 7.6-pound weight and reduce strain while working high up. Safety is well considered. The trimmer includes a double safety lock or button that must be pressed before activation, reducing the risk of accidental starts. After each use, the detachable pole makes the trimmer more compact for storage, and maintenance is relatively straightforward with the alloy steel blade. While the 16-inch blade is shorter than some heavy-duty models, it's perfect for medium to large hedges and offers a balance of reach, maneuverability, and battery life. For those looking for a reliable cordless tool that can reach high hedges comfortably, the CC is a very compelling choice.